Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mansi Kaushik with MansiRealty is back with tips and talks. Today, I want to talk about something crucial, especially during winter months: carbon monoxide safety. Did you know that the risk of carbon monoxide leaks increases during winter? Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and a deadly gas. That's why having carbon monoxide detectors at home is not just a suggestion, it's an absolute necessity. Picture this: a snowy day, fireplace roaring, everyone enjoying the warmth. And now, an undetected carbon monoxide leak to the scenario. It's a frightening thought, right? That's why I'm here to emphasize the importance of having detectors in your home. These small devices can be absolute lifesavers. They alert you when carbon monoxide levels are too high, giving you time needed to curate and seek help. Whether you're a homeowner or renting, it's crucial to have these detectors installed. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the sources of carbon monoxide and how to effectively detect it. This gas can come from various sources: heating systems, stoves, fireplaces, and even your car in an attached garage. Recognizing these sources is fundamental to preventing leaks. Installing detectors strategically is vital. Place them near your sleeping areas on each level of your home. Ensure they're not blocked by furniture and curtains. Regularly test your detectors and replace batteries as needed. Your safety is my priority. So take a moment today. Ensure your home is equipped with carbon monoxide detectors, because a warm, cozy home should also be a safe one, right? Now, I want to hear from you. Do you have carbon monoxide detectors at home? Have you ever experienced a close call? Share your stories and comments below. Let's build a community that prioritizes safety. Stay warm, stay safe until we meet next time. See you next week. Bye-bye.